In the competitive legal landscape of New York, attracting quality leads is paramount for the success of your law firm. With potential clients actively searching for legal assistance, it's crucial to implement effective lead generation strategies that set your firm apart. So, how can your law firm consistently generate high-quality leads in the Big Apple? Let's explore proven strategies tailored for the New York market. 1. Optimize your online presence. Begin by ensuring your law firm's website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for local search terms like personal injury lawyer in New York or family law attorney in NYC. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing to enhance local search visibility and make it easier for potential clients to find you. 2. Leverage pay-per-click advertising. Investing in pay-per-click (PPC) advertising can provide immediate visibility. Platforms like Google Ads allow you to target specific keywords and demographics, ensuring your ads reach individuals actively searching for legal services in your area. With well-crafted ads and targeted keywords, PPC campaigns can drive high-quality traffic to your website, increasing the likelihood of conversions. 3. Implement lead qualification systems. Not all inquiries are equal. Implement lead qualification systems, such as AI-powered chatbots, to instantly engage with visitors, qualify their needs, and schedule consultations. This approach ensures you're focusing on prospects with genuine needs, improving efficiency and conversion rates. 4. Build strategic partnerships. Forming partnerships with real estate agents, financial advisors, and other professionals can be a valuable source of referrals. By networking within the community, you can tap into a steady stream of potential clients. Establishing mutually beneficial relationships can lead to consistent business opportunities and long-term growth. 5. Monitor and adjust your strategies. Regularly monitor the performance of your lead generation strategies. Utilize analytics tools to track website traffic, ad performance, and lead conversion rates. Adjust your tactics based on data insights to improve and adapt to market changes continually. Ready to boost your law firm's lead generation efforts in New York? Implement these strategies to attract quality clients and grow your practice. For expert assistance in optimizing your lead generation strategies, contact Agency Name today. Let's work together to elevate your law firm's online presence and client acquisition. Remember, in the digital age, a strong online presence is key to your law firm's success. Invest in effective lead generation strategies and watch your practice thrive.